Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can use the 3-digit locking system for any trolley. First of all, this trolley bag is from American Tourister. This Camelent by American Tourister, which I purchased 8 months back. If you want the review video of this trolley, I just did a video, just find it in the description below. Now as we are concentrating on this one, initially your lock, the 3-digit lock will be 000. So what you need to do is you need to first set them to 000, 0 0, and this one also 0. Then you need to press this button. Actually, see here, you need to push this button inside so that your both the locks will be opening here, so that you can put them here. Okay, so at the end of the video you'll also get to know how you can be able to change the lock, also change the default lock also. Let me keep the laptop aside for a moment as I'm going to demonstrate this for you. Yes, see here, right now these 3 digits are 00, right? You can press this button so that you can unlock, so you can open the zipper and you can take out this suitcase trolley bag. And now if you want to change, what you can do is, I'll push this back a bit and I'll be keeping the camera here. Okay, right? And see here, in order to change the lock, what you need to do is you need to press and hold this. Okay, now this is in the open state, right? Now try to change these digits to some other 0 1 2. So remember this password. Okay, 3-digit combination password. I am releasing this. Okay, I release this. So now 0 1 2 is the lock, so I can just push this so that it gets open. Means if they are in the locked state, for example, I'll be keeping this just for a moment. So if you want to open, you need to press this and it will open. Say for the moment I'll change this to some digit 042. Now when I want to unlock this, it won't get pushed. See here. Okay, what I'll do is, for clear demonstration, I'll be keeping this to 012. If you can see, this is set to 012, right? You can open the lock here. Okay, so if you change, say for example, I'm just keeping this once again. If I change to 1 digit, actually 014 is the number, right? It will not open. So in this way you can make use of this 3-digit locking pin 012. If you want to change, press and hold, then change it to some other. Right now what I'll do is, I'll be just making it to 000 again by pressing this and holding and making it to 000. Okay, my lock now is 000. Okay, if I change to any other number, this won't get pressed. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.